Okay, got it. So here we have Dr. Karthik today. He has a clinic in Manikonda. So we are going to discuss about cat fungal infection as I have announced in the morning. So I'm gonna join Dr. Karthik on the live session so we can just get this thing started.
Do you see my request, Karthik? Just accept it. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, it says you need to update a latest version of Instagram to join this live session. You need to update your Instagram, Karthik. Yeah, you need to update the latest version of your Instagram. You just leave the session, update it, get back. I'll just speak to everyone and see what kind of questions they have today, if there is any from them. Okay. So people, we don't have much time. Dr. Karthik will be with us just for 30 minutes. I hope everyone knows that what we are going to talk today, right? So if you have any questions, you can just ping me out. I make sure all the questions are taken by Dr. Karthik. No questions? Okay. Go ahead, people, shoot. If there is any questions, just let me know. Hi, Rais. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Azim Ansari. Okay. Hi, Karthik. So let me go ahead and add you to the session. There we go. Hi, Karthik.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
Yeah, good to tell, na. Sorry for late.
It's okay. So how is things are going for you since this
Yeah,
pandemic?
good. Yeah. Heavy rain is there in outside.
Yeah. Okay, so as I have discussed you in the morning, so let's not waste more time, okay? As you said, you will just give us 30 minutes, so we will shoot all the questions on you. Let's go ahead and discuss about this cat fungal infection. So tell me, what is it something which cause fungal infection in cats?
Yeah, maybe fungal infection is because of fungi. Fungi is because of the symptoms is redness of skin, scaly of skins, and hair loss will be there, and the skin will be very greasy. And most of the times in that fungal infections, the lesions are in very foul odor smell is there. The
Okay.
skin will be very thickness will be there. Hyperpigmentation of the skin will be there, and swollen of lymph nodes will be there, and nodules under the skin will be there. If any that symptoms will be there now, we have to consult a local veterinarian and we have to read it. Okay. There is the fungal infection. There is a four types of fungal infections is there. One is candidiosis, and another one more is cryptococcus,
Okay.
and one more is histoplasmosis and Malassezia pachydermatitis. This is most common fungal infection in cats, Malassezia pachydermatitis. In Malassezia pachydermatitis, the skin will be more in red color and the fungal will develop as a pustules.
Okay.
And cutaneous sporotrichosis is also there. This is also common infection in cats. In this infection, there is a nodules like red nodules will be there in the external of skin.
Okay.
Okay. First, we have to rule out the infection. In this fungal infections, mostly skin scrapings will be we have to take basically. Okay. In skin scraping test, we have to see the what is the organism inside. We have to observe. We have to observe in front of the microscope like this. Yeah, this is
Okay.
a compound microscope.
So if any cat is infected with any kind of infection, we have to visit the nearby veterinarian, right? So they will
Yes.
they will test the skin and they will find out what kind of infection is. Basically, as per you, you say there are four type of fungal infections, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So in the local language, like as we breeders, people who have cats, they really doesn't know what are these four kinds. Like we even can't pronounce those names either. So can you
Okay.
explain us what are these four different types? Like how can we recognize? Okay, this is this kind of infection, or else let's say if it is any kind of infection, what is the major reason that these infections are caused in any cat or kitten?
Yeah. That infection is because of only unhygienic practice.
Okay.
Okay. Because of only unhygienic practice, we have to basically bath with that medicated shampoo once in a week.
Okay.
Okay. If any these symptoms will be observed, immediately we have to consult a local veterinarian. Why?
Like
Because
what
we
kind of
have to diagnose
symptoms you are talking
like
about?
any hair loss, any odor is coming from cat,
Okay.
any reddish pustules are in their externally of cat. Hmm? Is any like
Like sometimes I do see roughness
scales,
in the skin.
skin. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. We have to observe basically.
So I
Then only
have,
first
okay, go ahead.
before treatment we have to diagnose first which type of infection will be there.
Okay.
Then after diagnosis only we can do the treatment.
Mm-hmm. So,
Otherwise,
okay.
yeah, otherwise it will become resistant. It will become as a chronic skin infection.
I have also heard like I have also seen like as I am breeding since not many long time, I think 4 to 5 years.
Okay,
Um, if any father or mother cat is infected with fungal, if they
okay.
get mated and if we get kittens, I have mostly heard and also personal have a personal experience that the kittens will also be fungal infected. Is it the fungal get mixed in the blood?
No, it's not mixed in blood, but externally it will transmit it
How?
while contaminate. That will be contagious to human beings also. While
Okay.
touching, it will transmits.
If in case I have this kitten, okay, 2 months old, it is fungal
Okay,
infected. So I have
okay,
cured that fungal infection, took that kitten to the vet, and it has been cured 110%. And in future,
okay.
when I breed that cat with some other cat, I have seen that kittens are also fungal infected.
Yes, yes. It
How
will
is
be.
that?
It will. Yeah, because of that will transmit from blood also maybe.
Blood also.
Yes.
Okay, so is there any cure for that? Like if a cat or kitten is infected with a fungal, is there any medicine that should not transmit that fungal into blood?
Yes. First, we have to diagnose which type of skin infection, which type of fungal infection. First, we have to diagnose.
Okay,
Then only we will follow the treatment.
okay.
There is a different protocols for different fungal infections.
So
We
mean we
have to
have a
follow.
solution for all these fungals, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
got it. Um, we talked about costs, how it is caused due to unhygienic. If we
Because
don't
of
give them, yeah, if we are not giving them bath on a regular basis, if we are not grooming them on a regular basis, this is
yes.
what causes the fungal. And then we talked
Yes.
about different kind of fungals today, right? Like there are
Yes.
4 different kind of fungals, and we cannot find out what kind of fungal is it by just looking into it. We need to take the pet to the vet, so they will have a test of their skin, and they will find out what kind of fungal it is, and they will do the treatment as per the infection, right? And
Yes.
there is a possibility if a cat is cured, even it can get transmitted to the future breed as well.
Yes. Even human beings also it will be transmitted.
Okay, so here is the question. As you said, there is a cure. After determining what kind of fungal it is, so we will, the veterinarian will cure the fungal, right? So once they
Yes.
cure the fungal completely, is there a chance that the infection can infect the future breed as well?
It may be there is maybe incubation period is also will be there.
Okay,
In incubation period, the fungal will in dormant state means they need a more virulent means थोड़ा उसको ज्यादा उसको एनर्जी होना.
okay,
एक फंगल इन्फेक्शन में आपको थोड़ा है तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
okay,
आप वो फंगल इन्फेक्शन थोड़ा मल्टीप्लाई होके थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गए तो वो ऑटोमेटिक स्प्रेड हो जाएगा वो ऐसा.
okay. तो in this scenario, cats को अलग रखना चाहिए, right? घर में जिसको भी fungal infection है. So
Yes,
is
yes,
it
we have
like
to separate.
is fungal can also get infected? Like will the fungal get started with the if we don't clean the ears?
No, that is ear mites is different from fungal infections.
Okay, so sometimes what
Hmm.
I have seen, the cats which come for grooming, the
Okay.
hairs near the area and the neck side will be less. Is it a kind of fungal or ear mite?
Yes, that is a dermatitis infection. It's
Okay,
a like mite infection.
ear
Mange.
mites. So like
Yes,
I
ear
have
mite.
seen the scalp will be reddish in color, or sometimes if they scratch, more blood will be coming out of it. So is it like a
Yes,
because of ear mites? So what
yes,
I
because
suggest most of my client is in that case, if any cat is infected with ear mites, I firstly clean the ears completely and then give them
yes,
a medicated bath. Then I
yes.
suggest them to use a spot on to
Okay,
kill the germs inside the ears, which causes the ear mites. If it
okay.
is really severe, I ask them to use this ketochlor spray in the
Ketoconazole.
yeah, ketochlor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sorry,
Ketochlor. Okay.
not ketochlor. Ketochlor is the shampoo that is for medicated. Ketoguard.
Ketogut. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
that is antifungal.
So, do
Okay,
you
you can
have
use that.
anything if any cat is infected, like if it is a minor issue, if it is a minor, it is like it is just getting started. Like if a newborn kitten is born, I have also seen when kitten is 21 days old, they'll start losing hairs on their hands or near the eyes. It will be a very tiny spots. To those
Yes.
parents, what do you want to suggest? Is it like they have to go to vet, or is there any treatment they can do it by themselves?
Normal, simple, basic. Our favorite medicine will be there. Na Kiskin.
Kiss skin.
We can apply that one.
So, is it effective?
Yeah, that is effective.
Yeah, skin is better for kittens or this keto spray, keto guard spray?
Ketogut spray is effective, but when compared with ointment,
Mm-hmm.
the spray will go inside the eyes and nose will be there. Na? It will become as a toxic.
So is it like no, not we spray near the eyes? We can apply it. We can take some spray in the cotton and slowly apply it near the area where it is infected. The way we apply the cream, can we not do it with the? As per you, tell me which is more effective, a spray or the cream?
When compared with infection, that spray is very effective. That Ketogut spray is effective. The infection will be minor one. That lotion is enough. That
Okay.
skin lotion or ointment is enough.
So, without consulting a vet, we cannot suggest any client any kind of medicines, right? Either
Yes,
it comes to deworming or either it's come to any kind of fungal, because every cat
yes,
has a different system in it. So we doesn't know if any medicine is suiting my cat doesn't mean it suits yours as well.
yes.
Okay. So where is your clinic, Karthik?
Yeah, my clinic in Manikonda. We have two
Manikonda.
branches in Hyderabad. One
Okay.
is in LB Nagar and one more in Manikonda.
Okay. Got it. So people, if there is any questions, you can just shoot. We have Karthik here for another 15 minutes. Okay, here is the question. Flotas is the best for fungal. What do you say about this?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't get you.
Flotas. Somebody pinged in the comments, Flotas is the best for fungal infection. What do you say?
Yeah, Flotas is it's a like Ketogard only. Same.
So what do you suggest? This medicine, this guy said the one he said just now, Flotas or Ketogard?
Yeah. Both are same composition. Both are same. In that Flotas also that contains ketoconazole only. In Ketogard also it contains ketoconazole and chlorhexidine. It's mixed composition one. You can use any one, no problem.
So is it like equal? It's our choice.
Yes.
If you wanna use for a
Yes.
minor issues, we can use that. Okay.
Yes.
So here is the thing. If it is a minor fungal in the kitten or cat at the very beginning, if you are using this sprays, creams, and if that is cured, is there a possibility that can transmit in the future breed, even though if it is cured?
It's cured also. It may be. Why? Because some chronic infections it may transmit to another generation also.
Okay. How long a fungal can stay in a particular place or in a particular cat?
The fungal infection is chronic infections. Why? Because we have to do medications for at least 1 month.
Okay. So you
We
mean a
have to.
fungal, if it is cured, the fungal can stay in a cat for 1 month?
Yes.
I have heard from few breeders. I don't want to mention their name though. A fungal, if a cat is infected with fungal, a fungal will stay in that area. For example, if I have put my cat in a cage, a fungal infected cat. So that
Okay.
there is a possibility that fungal can stay for many years. Is it
Fungal
true?
infection. Yeah, it's true. But we have to disinfect that area.
Okay.
We have to basically disinfect that any cage or anything. We have to disinfect it first.
Okay. There is a question we got here. They say, is there a possibility that fungal can transfer from wild cats?
Wild cats. It may be.
Wild.
Wild cats. Maybe. It's Indian cats. It may be. If
So
the
there
infection will be
is,
there, it will spread.
okay. So there is one more question. Someone says that fungal start for sand, it's dry. What is it? I'm not understanding. Who is this? Sparking Khan, could you please repeat that question? Okay, litter sand. Are you talking about litter sand?
Litter sand. It's no. It's not contaminated. No. It's not contaminated from litter sand.
Okay.
Fungal infection. Yes.
So can we apply coconut oil on fungal infection?
No.
No?
Not at all.
Okay, got it. Is there any questions, people? Do you want to suggest anything to this, to everyone, Karthik, about this fungal infection? Like any tips, any care for newborn to avoid fungal infection? How do they care? The health tips.
Yeah. Basically, if any like that I earlier I told the symptoms. Na? If any like symptoms we'll observe, immediately we'll contact any local veterinarian. Immediately it will diagnose the infection. Basically, after the diagnosis only we have to take the medicines.
Okay.
Without proper diagnosis, don't take any medication.
If
Why?
it is
Because it will.
severe, so we need to visit in that case, or if it is just in beginning, if we think we cannot take care, we can visit to vet at the very beginning as well. If you're sure if you can take care at the beginning, then it's okay, right?
Yes. Otherwise, you can contact any vet in online consultation. Also, you can contact.
So where do we consult if we want to go for an online consultation?
Yeah. In nowadays, all veterinarians they are doing online consultations.
Like, is
You
it
can
a
contact any.
particular app, or we just have to contact them on WhatsApp?
Yeah, only WhatsApp contact you can contact.
Okay. So, as per my understanding, let me make it clear so every people do understand this. Okay. So, if any
Okay.
newborn kittens are born in your home or in your cattery, if you see they are infected with fungal infection, so make sure you give them a medicated bath if a kitten is 20 days old. Do you agree on this, Karthik?
But 20 days, 20 days cat in bath. Why? Because bath advice.
No? Okay.
No. Bathing will advise after 1 month only.
Okay. So we cannot
basically.
give them bath if they are less than 1 month.
Yes.
May
No.
I know the reason why?
Why? Because then they have special coats on the body. The
Okay.
kitten, they have special coats on body. If we will do the more bath, na,
Mm-hmm.
the special coat will be removed, and he'll susceptible for all viral and bacterial infections.
Okay, I have heard people saying and having this thing practices if a mother cat gave birth to kittens, they make sure the mother and kittens are given bath in 3 to 4 days. They say like um, uh, it will be clean. The mother will not lose more fur if we give them bath and within 3 to 4 days of the delivery. Is it correct? What do you say on
Yes.
this?
Yes. After 3 2 days, we can't do bath there because
No, no,
the
they said
mother.
we should give bath. They says we should give bath to mother and kittens so mother won't lose fur.
No, sorry, I didn't get your question.
Okay, I have one friend. Okay,
Okay.
he says that whenever his cat is giving birth to kittens, he makes
Okay.
sure within 3 to 4 days he give birth to mother and kittens together because he
Okay.
believes that if he gives birth to the mother will not lose the fur and kittens will stay clean.
Yes.
So what do you say on this? Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you say? Like, is it correct method to practice, or you don't suggest that to that things?
But you can practice that one. Why? Because we can usually we will do bath together. No, that's why.
So, but you said we cannot give bath to kittens if they are less than 1 month, right?
Yes. Only we can do bath for mother, but
Not
not
for
kitten.
kittens. Okay.
Not for
So is
kitten.
it
Only
a
we have to buy.
okay? So it is a good practice to give bath to a mother after within 3 to 4 days of delivery to make sure she is clean and she don't lose her fur, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let me see if there are any questions from anyone. And I think I have taken 20 minutes of your time. So we are left with 20 minutes. So there are no questions. Okay. So I was talking about these practices. We should not give birth to kittens if they are less than 1 month, but we can give birth to mother who within 3 to 4 days of delivery, right? If we see
Yes.
any kind of fungal infection, the kittens who are 20 days old or 25 days old, but make sure you apply any kind of antifungal creams or a spray with a very careful instructions. Make sure it won't go to their mouth or eyes, so it get cured. If you see it is a severe infection, just visit your nearby vet or you can contact Karthik anytime. I can share you his number. If anyone want his number or want to contact him online, he is always there to help everyone out, right, Karthik?
Yeah. Hi, myself Karthik. My contact number is 9000 3590. I will share in a text message also.
Yeah. If you want, I can also help him with his number. He will be there to assist. He has his clinic located in Manikonda and LB Nagar, so we can contact him directly there. So, anything else, Karthik, you want to share with everyone?
Yeah. But okay. My basic request is don't do self medication.
Okay.
Okay, after consult any vet only you can do all medications and that. Why? Because sometimes it will become as a contraindicated to that one. Okay,
Okay.
this is my humble request to all breeders and all my friends,
So,
cat
if you
friends.
even want to have a treatment or remedies at the home, just have a word with the vet and then have that things practices for a
Yes,
safer side, right?
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Karthik. It was nice talking to you. Hope to see you more in future with more amazing information, more amazing videos and collaboration. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good
Have
day. Bye bye.